All right, guys, so here's a very quick haul. But this haul included something that I'm kind of having buyer's remorse about. You guys tell me what you think. But just quickly, we have some spinach because I'm going to make a chicken and spinach bake as a meal. Some chips for the kids for their lunch boxes. I have cheese for tacos, chopped burgers for tonight. This is for the spinach bake. Lunch meat for the lunch boxes. Refried beans for burritos. Spinach bake. Raviolis. Meatloaf I'm going to make. So I got turkey, ground turkey, cream cheese for, I don't know what Rizzy wanted this for. I think it's for bagels. And then I needed one for my wontons. And then we need sour cream for the burritos and lettuce for the burritos. So very small. But let me show y'all where my regret lies. Hold on. I didn't mean to say regret, but I meant buyer's remorse. So here it is. This was 60 bucks. So I'm thinking about the fact that I could have made something as a desk in my bedroom. But I got this from Aldi. And as you can see, it's sideways. It's really heavy. So it's hard for me to, unless I don't want to turn the camera because I think it'll mess it up for you guys. But this is what it looks like. It's 47 inches long by, let me show it to you over here. By 30.2 inches high by 18.8 inches wide. I am into really utilizing my space to the point where it's literally being used. And because I have a small house, I don't have a lot of room to just do whatever and just have unnecessary decorations or whatever. So I have a space in my room that I have as like my little reading nook / sitting chair. But I don't sit in it much. I'm be honest with you. I really don't sit in it much. Because normally if I'm in my bed or my bed is unmade, it's pillows over there. And if the pillows are on the bed, usually that's because the bed is made and I'm not in the room. So it's kind of weird. So I was thinking, I'm always editing in my room or at my dining room table or in my bed in my room or at my dining room table or at the island. And sometimes I don't want to pick the stuff up because I have to cook in the kitchen. I have to move it. You know, when you're editing, you don't have time to always pick everything up, move it. And it might be late. And I'm like, oh, I got to put all this equipment back. The hard drives, the laptop computer, my notebooks, all that stuff. So I'm like, what if I have a designated spot? It's 60 bucks. Y'all know I'm frugal. So to me, I feel like it's a lot. But then I'm thinking if I did build it, all the hardware, all the stuff I would have to buy outside of the wood would probably be about the same amount. So it's kind of like, sometimes it's not the best to DIY. But I was like, maybe with the piece of wood I would have gotten, I could have got 2 desks, one for my daughter's room and one for my room for 30 bucks. But then still, again, the hardware and everything I would want to do to make it fancy and the baskets and all that, I would have to, it would just be too much. So I'm contemplating. If I decide to keep it, you guys will know because I will show you that space, clean it out, empty it out. I'm probably going to put my trim around the wall like it needs to go, put curtains up and make this desk look nice in the area. I think it'll actually make the room look a little bit more spacious versus having that chair with that table and the rug and all that stuff there, which let me show you guys. See, this is what it looks like when I'm in my bed. That's the stool I got from Ross, and that's where I would prop my foot up in this chair that's covered with pillows. And this is kind of what it looks like. Now, the thing is, I'm still going to probably have to utilize this space for pillows, but I'll probably just be stacking them up in this area behind the desk because I think I'm going to put the desk right there. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I know if I put the desk up, I'm going to definitely probably put curtains up that I've been waiting to put up. I don't know what curtains, but I'm more than likely going to get some curtains. That's what I meant to say. So, yeah, just want to share that with you guys. But, yeah, this is where all the pillows and everything goes when I'm in my bed. So, I don't know if $60 was worth it or if I should have waited a little while. I seen it about a week ago, and I kept saying it's been on my mind. And you guys know I always believe in wait 72 hours. If it's a small purchase, wait 48 hours. If it's a big purchase, wait 72 hours. And the reason why is because usually if it's smaller, it'll go faster than something big like a freaking dining room set. You know what I mean? So, yeah. So I waited and it wouldn't leave my mind. And my hubby went and got it today. And I guess you guys will see it if I decide to use it. But it will fit perfectly in this little nook right here. And only take up 18 inches from the wall. So we shall see. We shall see. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the mini haul. And tell me what you think. Bye.